Hey guys, here's a quick tip. In BricsCAD, the aerial imagery is a little bit different. So one setting that you'll want to check is geographic location. Geographic location, go to that and make sure that this is checked on, inherit graphic location from GIS. When I had that off, it came in close but not quite right. As soon as I checked that, everything lined up perfectly. So make sure that is checked so it just comes from the workspace. And then you'll just hit GM for GeoMap and I to go to the ERSI imagery, and then GMO to turn it back off again. And that's it. Thanks so much.